Hello, welcome to this Wavy Walmart wash day. Oh my goodness, guys, I am so excited for this video. I had a fairly decent wash day the last time I washed my hair, but I'm dealing with hair that is needing to be washed, needing to be restyled. And the reason I'm so excited for today's wash day is that the total price for today's wash day is less than $15, including tax. Let me go ahead and show you the before, and then we'll go run into my bathroom and I will show you exactly how I wash and style with these products. All right, let's go wash this hair. Hey there, guys. Here we are in my bathroom and we're gonna wash this hair. You see, I have my 3 products in the background there, but first I will be going in with this Suave shampoo. I recently talked about this in my favorite affordable products video, and I'm starting this wash day off like most wash days. I'm getting my hair thoroughly saturated with water. You can see that this shampoo kind of has this weird sort of flaxseedy texture, but I kind of like it. It's not super thick, so I find that it's pretty easy to distribute through my hair. Here I am just gently scrubbing my scalp, giving my scalp a really good cleanse. I really do focus most of my cleansing on my roots. I find that the links of my hair, scrubbing them, that's gonna damage them pretty badly. So I only scrub my roots and then I pull the soap, shampoo stuff, it's not really soap, through the links of my hair. Now I am just rinsing very, very thoroughly and kind of squeezing some of that excess water out. Then I drop the next product into the tub. Go Courtney. I'll be going in with this Cantu product today for my conditioner. And I really appreciate that Cantu has some pretty nice formulas for the money. So I grabbed about that much. It's kind of thick, kind of sticky. And I am just working this through my hair, making sure to very evenly distribute it with my fingers and do a good finger detangle. Now I'm adding a good amount of water to my hair for the squish to condish process. Conditioners are actually designed to be applied on wet hair and then have a little bit more water added to them for full penetration absorption ability. So that's why I always add just a little bit more water to my hair after I've applied the conditioner. And then I find doing this squish to condish, squishing motion with the conditioner in my hair really does help keep my hair very well hydrated over time. Now I'm just thoroughly rinsing all that product out of my hair, making sure that none is left behind. And now I'm going to be organizing my curl clumps with my brush. I do this every time I wash my hair, really push the hair away from my face and brush the sides of my face. Now I am going in with the Aussie Instant Freeze Mousse. This is a fun product. This is a product that it took me a long time to try, but I'm glad I finally did. It really is a max hold mousse. I really love the fragrance of it. It gives my hair good slip, good shine, good hydration. I'm applying this like I would most stylers, getting a little bit, glazing it into my hair, and then scrunching. There, I'm just standing up and shaking the hair off the back of my head and applying product directly to the back of my head in those clips. Continuing to scrunch until I feel like I have a very even distribution of the product. And here are the wet results. You can see that everything is pretty well clumped together, good curl enhancement. Now, there is a trick with mousses. I tend to like to apply a second application once I have plopped my hair. So there you can see I was taking off the plop out of my hair, and I'm grabbing just a teensy bit more mousse and gently, note gently, scrunching it into my hair right before I diffuse. I have my AirPods in because, yes, I'm about to diffuse my hair. And we're back. Ta-da! I have definitely plopped and diffused my hair, and I have let it finish air drying. I don't usually diffuse my hair to 100% dry. I get it almost dry, and then I let it finish air drying the rest of the way. It has finished air drying the rest of the way. And these are the final results. Just kidding. You can probably tell that it is a little not cute, not great. It's a little stringy and just a teensy bit crunchy. Now, if you wanted to, and you were okay with these results, you could leave it like this. This is what you would call in the cast. We're a little bit stringy, a little bit weird. This is what is referred to as the cast. If you left it in the cast, it would theoretically boost the hold in your hair and increase this wash day longevity. When you have wavy hair, we're always looking for ways to bump up that wash day longevity, because as soon as you scrunch out the crunch, things will just slowly elongate and stretch out till the next wash day. But I am Courtney, and I am impatient, and I want to see the results. I'm going to scrunch out the crunch and share the glory of scrunch out the crunch with you guys. So here we go. Now that my hair is 100% dry, I'm just taking clean, dry hands and giving my hair another scrunch. If your hair is really prone to frizz, you could use a silk scarf to do this. If you're finding that you're scrunching and nothing's happening, like the cast is not breaking at all, you could get a tiny bit of oil on your hands or leave-in conditioner on your hands and do some scrunching, and that should help break up the cast. I find that my hair doesn't get a super hard, crunchy cast, and my hair doesn't frizz super easily. So, dry, clean hands works good for me. Now I am root fluffing to make sure that nothing is stuck to my scalp. I'm also like pulling my hair away from my face. There's one hair that's stuck to me. Look, it's in my eye. There we go. Oh, woo! I am feeling this wash day. Let me turn around and show you the back. You can see the difference. Things are not as stringy. Everything is broken loose. Everything is very defined and very shiny. Look at this one. I like this one. That's cute. It's like two chunked together. But yeah, there you go, guys. That is it for this very affordable wavy wash day routine. My hair feels very soft, very light, very bouncy. And because I used a mousse, my hair did dry pretty quickly. It didn't take forever to get my hair diffused and air dried. And I'm gonna have good hold because this is a hard hold mousse. My hair is gonna have lots of volume. It's gonna be fluffy because I use that mousse. It won't weigh down my hair. April Fools! I'm eating my hair again. Guys, did you catch it? I bet some of y'all already caught it and were making comments down in the comment section. Yes, I used the Cantu Curl Activating Cream as my conditioner. Now, as you can see from the results post Scrunch Out the Crunch,
This product worked fantastic. Lovely as a conditioner. I had great volume. I was able to detangle my hair. While it's not as slippery as the actual Cantu rinse out conditioner, it still worked really good. These two are the exact same price, so the premise of the video being $15 for your wash day is still applicable. I just wanted to be a little bit silly and play a mild April Fool's joke on you guys and see if y'all noticed. Might be a lame joke, I don't know. Anyway, right now I am in the cast again. I did the exact same wash day so that you could see the results with an actual conditioner instead of a curl cream as conditioner. I don't know why this tickles me so much. I really have a weird sense of humor, but I did use the Aussie Mousse and I did use that Suave shampoo. Let's go ahead and see these results in the cast. I still can't get over how much I like this wash day lineup for the price. I feel like it's really good. I also really love a scrunch out the crunch reveal moment. So you're getting two for the price of one in this video. All right, there you go. You can see that I have gotten really similar shine volume situation. If anything, I might have had a little bit more volume with the cream. So there you go. Here are the scrunched out the crunch results. All right, back to the video. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, you liked it, you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help me out. Also, if you'd like to hang out with me some more, feel free to subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload again. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!